The market just tried to bet you in a 200-point trap. Did you take the bet? Today, 6 Feb, Nifty did something incredibly difficult. It staged a sharp, straight V recovery. There was no retest, no W pattern, and no second chances. It just dropped, turned, and took off. In this post budget chaos, it's so easy to feel like you are missing out and start forcing trades just to catch up with the market. I'm keeping it 100% real with you. I booked a loss on my stock trades today. I didn't chase that V recovery and I didn't break my setup. Why? Because a disciplined loss is a bigger win for your career than a lucky profit. If you are tired of getting ripped apart by volatility and want to see how a professional handles a losing day with his head held high, this video is for you. Let's break down the chart and see where the trap was set. This is the 25,700 put chart. At the beginning of the day, Nifty was bearish, right? So there was a opportunity. Let's see if there is any opportunity here. Yes, here first candle, second candle. First candle is a mother candle, which is a green, and second is a inside bar. So this is a inside candle setup found here, and see what is here, what happening, what about EMAs. EMAs are also trending upwards here, right? So if you take a trade here, see high of this particular candle, then your trade would have got executed at around 1 second. Yes, 205 level. Okay, so you would have took a trade at around 205 level. Then market start, put option just start spiking. But what happened? It has reversed and closed below 20 MA here. See, and it's low. It has closed below 20 MA. So now, what our rule says, we will shift our trailing SL at the low of this candle. So what is the low of this candle? 203. Okay, so I will shift my stop loss to 203. So my entry was at around 205, 206, and my exit is around 203. So overall, if you see, I would have lost only 3 points, right? If I would have took this trade. So there was a 3 point loss booked. And if you didn't book that, then see what happened. Your original stop loss would have also got hit. So always remember to follow this 20 EMA trailing SL rule, no matter what. Then what happened? See, this is flattened. 20 MA and 50 MAs are now not at all trending, crossing each other. And again 20 MA started trending below the 50 MA. So there was no trade input. So here if you see input options, there was only 3 point loss if you have traded based on the valid setup. Now let's move to the call option chart. In call option, what happened? See, what our rule says, if 20 EMA is below 50 EMA, then we will not even look for the buy setup, right? So here I will not look for the buy setup at all. No worries, perfectly fine. This move, don't look at this like this move would have been missed here, we missed this move and all. See, setup is the most important thing. We must follow that. Don't look for the profits only. We want profit by following our setup. That's it. See here, 20 MA start trending upwards now, right? And 50 MAs are also trending upwards. So here there was one setup formed. See, first candle, second candle, third candle. So this is a 1 second. I will show. See, this was a three candle setup formed here, right? 20 MA start trending upwards. So we can take this trade. And 20 MA has been, when setup from 20 MA is above 50 MA also. So that is the perfect setup. So here if you see, at high of this candle you would have took a trade, low will be the stop loss. So your trade would have got executed at around 158, 159. And at end of the day, where the day was closed, 181, 181. Okay, 181. Right. So almost 181, 180. You would have closed this trade at around 180, right? So how many points you would have got a profit in this trade? Around 158 and 180. 22 points profit you would have booked in call option trade if you have followed setup properly, correct? So overall, if you see today in this volatile V recovery, whatever chance we got, and as per valid setup, if we have traded in Nifty options, then there was an opportunity of 90 no 18 point profit, right? 18, 19, 19 point profit, to be very honest. 19 or 18 you can take, okay? So overall there was a profitable day in case of Nifty options. Now let's move from the Nifty index to my actual stock trades. As I mentioned, I booked a loss in my stock today. I'm showing you this because sticking to your rules is more important than chasing a move out of grid. Let's head over to the stock charts so I can explain my setup and exactly why I decided to exit and protect my capital. As we are moving to the charts, we will shift time frame to 15 minutes. One thing I would like to clear here, today I took only 4 trades. So always remember, as I always say, I always look Nifty as my compass, right? How Nifty is behaving. Accordingly, I take trades in stocks also. So even if there are setup forming, or if something is fishy happening in Nifty, then what I will do, I will limit my number of trades. So today I took only 4 trades. If you see, my minimum criteria is at least 5 trades I should take, but I don't take it today because there was Nifty was doing behaving in erratic manner. So here if you see, perfect 3 candle setup was formed. First candle, second candle, third candle. 20 MA and 50 MAs were trending downwards. Second candle broke the low, closed below, sorry, broke the high, closed below high of the first candle. Third candle respected high of the second candle. So I took a trade at low of this candle. See here what happened. My trade got executed, and as soon as my trade got executed, stock reversed and my SL hit at the end of the day. So that is perfectly fine. I took a loss in this particular trade. Next trade, this was a perfect inside candle setup formed here. See here, first candle, second candle. Red candle is a mother candle. 20-50 MAs are trending downwards. Red candle has a highest volume. So perfect trade setup. At low, I took a trade. High was my stop loss. See here what happened. My stop loss got hit in this trade also. 100% execution. No any adjustments. I'm just following my 100% execution rule. That's it. Here also, see, first candle, second candle, perfect inside candle setup was formed. I took a trade at low of this particular candle. High was my stop loss. 20-50 MAs are trending. Mother candle has the highest volume. So I took this trade. But see what happened. My SL got hit in this trade also, right? Here only my SL got hit. Perfectly fine. Then this was my fourth and last trade. See here. Perfect inside candle, sorry, 3 candle theory setup was formed. First candle, second candle, third candle. First candle, second candle broke the high of the first candle, closed below high. Third candle respected high of the second candle. So perfect trade opportunity here. I took a trade at low of this candle. So my trade got executed here in this candle. But see what happened. Market reversed. But this trade I closed at around break even only. So there was no loss in this particular trade as such. So overall, in stocks, I booked a loss which was control loss, which was under my risk limit. To summarize today, Nifty gave a small 19-point profit opportunity in options, but it was a fast and risky move. On the other hand, my stock trades resulted in a loss. But here is the most important lesson. That loss was in my control. I didn't let the 200-point volatility panic me into making a bigger mistake. In a market this unpredictable, your only job is to protect your capital and respect your setup. If you can handle a small loss today, you will be here to catch the big profits tomorrow. Remember this. If you found this honest breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. I want to hear from you. What was your biggest challenge in today's V recovery? Also, let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover in my next video. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, everyone.